So this is work perfectly for every UBA account holder. Whether you want to send your bank statement to embassy, or you want to have the hard copy or PDF copy of your bank statement directly into your email account that you used to create the account, or you want to send your bank statement into any financial institution, consider to stay tuned to this video. With your UBA mobile app, you can easily get it done. So let's get started. So the very first thing we want to do is to open up our UBA app. After you open up your UBA app, click on login. Then enter your login password. Then hit on login. The next thing you need to do is to click on more. The next thing you need to do is to go to self-service. The next thing you need to do is to click on bank statement. Here you have three options right here. You can send this bank statement to your mail. You can send it to a financial institution. You can send it to embassy. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through on how you can send it to embassy. For that, simply click on embassy right here. When you click on embassy, it's going to take you right here. By default, your account number is going to be shown. Then here, you have to simply scroll down right here. Then you have to state, then here, you have to choose date. Click on here to choose from. So this depends on the number of the year or month of the statement you want to get from your UBA bank account. So for you to set a date, simply click on, so for you to set a date, click on here. Then here you have between 2024. So right here, currently it is 2025. So here you can only send statement between 2024 to the present date. So if you want to send a statement from 2024, click on 2024 right here. So this is for 2024. If you want to send a statement from 2025, click on right here again, July 2024 again, and then make it back to 2025. Then once you choose the date, here you have to choose month. And for you to choose month, just make use of this arrow key. So continue to tap until you are able to select the actual month you want. Let's say, for instance, I want to get it from February. Then you have to choose February. As you can see, by default here, it has been set to be February 2025. Then we can choose date right here. I can decide to select from 5 of February and hit on OK. Now, when you choose from the particular date, you can see February 5th, 2025. Then you have to choose 2. So click on here. Then you can decide that between February, I want it to end June. For you to do that, simply tap on here and let's take you back. So you can see it's June. Then June what? You can choose the date right here. You can say June 5th and then hit on OK. Now you have it right here been set correctly. Next thing you need to do is to come down below right here, country. Send it to, so you have to choose the country right here. Click on here to select the country. Then the destination, your destination here should be the country you are going to. Then scroll down right here, applicant information. So right here, you have to choose. So you have to click on here now and swipe to get your information, whether guarantor or applicant or sponsored or as you can see right here. So if you are the guarantor, make sure you choose guarantor. If you are the sponsor, make sure you choose sponsor. Then click on add applicant. If you want to add more people, click on add applicant right here. And the charges is going to be from your bank account. Once you are done with every setting, come down below right here and click on send statement. Once you click on send statement, the statement will be sent to the embassy directly on your based on your request right here. It's that simple. The same way you can use it to send to any other parastatal, whether financial institution or better still, you can simply go back and also use it to send it to your email right here.